What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change a motor mount on a Miata. It's actually pretty easy, but it's not super obvious how it works when the motor is in the car. I'm using Mazda competition mount that I bought from Flying Miata, and this is an NB motor, but the NAs are exactly the same and even use the same mounts. Alright, I'm going to take off these 14mm 6-point bolts holding the bracket on. Nope. 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 And you can see inside of here, there's a nut, also a 14 6-point, and there's a little slot kind of thing. Take the nut off. And your old mount comes off. New mount goes back in, and it has like a tab on the bottom that's going to sit in that. And make sure that it's lined up correctly, because if it's not, it will never go back onto the motor mount, which will probably suck. Alright, now put that shit back together. All of the bolts on the driver's side are the same length. The passenger side has one that's longer than the other. It's the bottom bolt on this side. But it'll also be super obvious because the short bolts won't fit there. That's all. Yeah, that's about it. Like I said, really easy, but I figured it might be helpful to see what the inside looks like. Because when you're trying to do it on the car, it's not super obvious how the actual mount comes off. So there you have it. There's a nut on the inside.